Alright guys, this is the Central Market here in KL, Malaysia. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Do you have the chicken?
Yeah.
Chicken? Just one.
One.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Red Bull for 4 ringgit. Let's try that. Energy sparkling. Okay, thank you. So we have a Red Bull energy sparkling drink for 4 ringgit. Well, this drink isn't too bad. Actually, it tastes really good. This is the zero sugar pomelo flavored Red Bull energy sparkling drink. 1 ringgit? Okay. It's a good deal.
Okay.
Alright, thank you. Got a blended coffee for 1 ringgit, guys. Good deal. The mango? You have mango?
Mango.
Yes.
One.
Yes, just 1.
250.
Okay. $2.50 mango. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright guys, got some mango. $2.50. That's about 40-50 cents. Is this a shrimp?
Right.
Shrimp? Prawn?
Prawn, squid, pork,
Okay, this one, the solo.
also meat.
Yeah.
You have pork, prawn, squid.
Yes, yeah. Thank you. Take out.
No wait.
Okay, thank you. Okay guys, I got some shrimp fried rice. Looks like it's raining today. Let's go see what we can eat for breakfast. Maybe get some beef roti. How much is this?
This one, sir. 4 piece 10 ringgit.
Oh, 4 pieces for 10 ringgit?
Oh, yeah?
Yes. And what is this here, with the sesame
This one's
seeds?
tausa.
What's inside?
Tausa.
Oh, I'm not sure what that is. Is it like meat?
Red beef.
Beef.
No. No beef, no chicken. Vegetarian only.
Oh, vegetarian. Okay, one of those, 1. How much is that?
12.50.
Okay. Thank you. Terima kasih. Okay, I'm gonna get a drink here. one? New Monster Energy drink. Thank you, sir. That's it? Okay. Thank you. So I'm at the Central Market, guys. I don't plan on buying anything here. I just want to use one of their tables and eat some breakfast. Prawn fritters. They're like shrimp fritters. I got 4 pieces for 10 ringgit. Like $2 or something, a little over $2. And then this is the vegetarian bun. This one costs 2 ringgit 50 cents. Let's see how this looks. Okay. See that? And then I had my monster drink. Hello. What is this? That's pork.
Yeah, pork. This one black beef.
So how much is it? How much?
3 ringgit.
3 ringgit. Can I have a 1 pork? Okay, I try that. For takeaway. Takeaway. Okay, thank you. It's like it reminds me of the siopao in the Philippines, the steamed bun. But this was only 3 ringgit, 70 cents USD. So I'm just gonna try a little bit of it, and then maybe keep the rest for lunch. Oh, that looks like fat right there. Huh. See that fat? Let me see. That's not bad. See it? Okay. Not bad. 70 cents.
Oh, ngon của bà cưới.
Okay guys, got the beef and chicken roti. How it looks. It was 12 ringgit altogether. It was 6.50, 6 ringgit 50 for the beef, 5 ringgit 50 for the chicken. Yeah. Okay. Wow, so much traffic.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Oh, feels good to sit down.
Yeah.
Sir, do you have mango ice cream?
Yes.
Mango. 4?
Thank you.
Thank you. Good, very good. Mango ice cream for under $1. Pattaya fried rice. Yeah, thank you. Order the Pattaya fried rice for 9 ringgit 50. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Alright guys, this is my Pattaya fried rice. 9 ringgit 50. About a little over $2. See how it looks. See how it tastes. Pretty good. I could do without the ketchup. So this is good, guys, because it has egg, rice, vegetables, and chicken. So it's a good combination, like a full meal. Oh, thank you. Sir, yeah, a chocolate? Yeah, just one chocolate.
Yes. Thank you. Này cái signature à?
2 ringgit for chocolate ice cream. I needed this. Sir, the mango sticky rice.
Okay.
Which one is the sweetest one you have? This one, okay. How much? How much?
10.
10. Okay, thank you. Mango sticky rice. 10 ringgit. Alright, I'm trying to look for some breakfast. I think I'm going to try this place. Zakir. Can I have the nasi goreng with egg?
Nasi goreng ayam.
With egg. Ah, yeah.
Air.
Huh?
Air.
A drink? I have iced coffee.
Ice coffee.
All right, I got the nasi goreng, guys. Iced coffee. So there's chicken in here too. I'm sure it's gonna be spicy. Let's see. Let's try it out. Good. I got the nasi goreng ayam, the chicken, iced coffee, and the Tarek drink. 1950. This is the Tarek. It's okay, sir. Thank you. This is the hot milk tea. Tariq. Hello.
Hi.
Can I just iced coffee?
Iced coffee, iced chocolate, and iced.
Just iced coffee.
Iced coffee.
Yeah, regular.
How about the sugar level?
25%.
Okay, my coffee is very bitter. Okay for you? Or?
I'll try.
Okay.
Yeah. How much? How much is it?
15, 1.5.
1.5. Okay. Your coffee is good?
Yeah. A lot of people like.
How long have you been here?
No, I'll be like 2 days in one place or 3 days in one place.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
Changing the place.
Changing.
Every week. All over the state.
Wow. You have a very nice sign.
Thank you.
I see a lot of people here, so I thought, oh, maybe it's good.
A lot of people like.
That's the chocolate right there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I blend everything. Coffee I blend.
Oh, okay.
I do what.
15, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
15.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mix it. Okay, proper. Okay. Thank you. 15 ringgit. They said I have to mix it properly. This is just the iced coffee right here, guys. Alright, let's see how it tastes. Very good. Very good, guys. And we are at Little India. What is inside in the vegetables?
Potato, onion,
Potato, onions.
pudi.
Can I try? Yeah. It's spicy. Spicy.
Spicy, normal.
Normal. Yeah. And this is just a potato cracker.
Potato, onion.
Oh, okay. This is sauce.
Yeah,
Sauce.
spicy butter.
Oh, spicy. Okay.
Yeah, sweet sauce can now, okay, no.
Okay. Okay.
Inside you put up.
Yes. Okay.
One take and water can.
Okay. Thank you. Just try this. Okay. So what you do is you put this in there. Avocado mango smoothie.
Avocado mango, one.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. 12. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Avocado mango smoothie, guys. It's raining, guys. Trying to get to this clay pot place. This all chicken. That's chicken.
All chicken, right?
What? That's all chicken.
Chicken and pork meat.
Oh, chicken and pork. Chicken and pork.
Small one is 40 ringgit.
Oh, small one.
Yeah, 40 ringgit.
40.
40.
1-4. Yeah. Yeah, I do small. Small.
Pork sausage and the Chinese sausage.
Pork and sausage. Yeah.
Pork sausage and chicken
Mixed
mixed together.
together. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
You want with egg and on 2 ringgit.
Egg, 2 egg. Yes.
So total 1 egg and on 2 ringgit, 16 ringgit.
Oh, 1 or 2?
No. I mean with 1 egg and on 2 ringgit.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. That's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want drink?
Yeah, tiger. The tiger.
Border or cat?
Huh?
You want big border or cat one?
Oh, just a small one. Small one.
Small one. Okay.
Yeah. This is mine right here. Oh, never mind. Order the chicken and rice, guys. Chicken and rice. And a tiger. Alright guys, so this plate here, the chicken rice, the clay pot chicken rice was $28 with the beer. This is where we're at, guys. So this is what I got right here. Not sure if you can see that. Nasi lemak, which is the coconut rice with chicken, some toast. Looks like there's a boiled egg and some hot tea. Here it is. I heard a lot of good things about this place. Got my tea right here. And this is the nasi lemak, which is the coconut rice, guys. And then the chicken. This is the sambal, which is like the hot spicy stuff. And then they serve it with some crispy, I think it's crispy anchovies and some peanuts. Let me try this real quick. Very nice. Alright, I'm hungry now. This place right here, very good. Authentic Malay. I will definitely be back. I think I'm gonna finally try one of these cookies here. What is your bestseller?
A bestseller here, all with the red rabbit.
Ah, okay.
That's same chocolate, triple chocolate. One is 10 ringgit, 9%. The other
Okay.
is 4 times. After that, it's from 11 ringgit.
Yeah, I'll just do one right now.
The triple chocolate?
Yeah. 12.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Alright. Got the chocolate. Right here, guys. We get some dumplings here. Hello, you have chicken? Chicken dumpling?
11 pieces.
Yes, 11 pieces. Chicken.
Vinegar.
A little bit, yeah.
Spicy?
A little bit. That's good. Okay, thank you. 11 pieces, 15 ringgit.
15.
Okay, thank you. Through this bridge. Cute. I'm gonna film later, also around nighttime. There's the Petronas. Wow, look at this, guys. That is so cool, huh?
Hello, bây giờ.
Alright, here you go. Let's go in. Go in through the tunnel. This is probably the coolest footbridge. This is probably the coolest footbridge that I've ever been on. I am tired. We have some soybean right here. Real popular. I might try this. Look at these, all these people here. Soy. He knows what he's doing.
Em bây giờ là siêu. Cái đồ này, đồ chim miếng, cái đồ sài. Cái đồ hát hả? Đấy rồi. Cao luôn à? Cao. Này.
One, like this one.
Đây, cao hơn hát cỏ à?
Cái bò chúng ta
Ok. Giao quân à?
Giao quân hát không giao
Okay.
sầu.
Oh,
Đang tay chi hả mày?
right.
Tao chi.
Thank you.
Lại kìa, satu botol.
You got the drink
Nhìn
here.
nè.
Soya drink. Wow, it's good. Time for some fruit. Let's see what we're gonna get today. Good morning. I think one mango and then one of the
Sunmelon.
yeah, okay, 5?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Where's the menu at?
This is a menu.
Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't even bring my glasses. Do you have just ice Americano?
Yeah, we do.
Okay. I'll just get ice Americano, yeah.
For the beans, we are serving 2 types.
What is that?
The beans we are using for.
Oh, okay. What do you recommend?
I recommend you try the first one.
Okay, I'll do that one. Yeah. 11? Okay.
Have the simplest.
Okay. Sit down right here. Okay, thank you. Ice Americano, guys. Stellar coffee. Beef fried buns.
Oh, only chicken bun and beef bun.
One chicken, one beef.
And then drinks no.
That's it, yeah.
Okay, no
That's it.
problem. One chicken bun, one beef bun.
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
They toasted in the little grill, and then I just saw her. She just stuck it in the microwave. So, okay, thank you.
Sauce got everything, sir.
Okay, which one is which?
This one beef, this one chicken.
Beef and chicken.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. All right, guys, this is the beef. Let's see.
Sauce, yeah.
All right, this is the chicken. Let's see how it looks inside. That's the chicken. Looks the same. Let's taste it. Thank you, sir. Sir, what is the daging?
Beef.
Beef?
Yeah. Chicken, lamb,
Yeah.
beef.
Can I try 5, 5, and 5?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I order 5 chicken, 5 beef, 5 lamb?
Okay, sir.
So 15. Right here, guys. Let's see what we can order. Coffee Saigon. Hello. What is your bestseller? Coffee Saigon. Okay. I'll do the regular. Iced. Yeah, ice. 7. Okay. Let me give you guys a better look. I got the Saigon, which is the best seller. Thank you. Alright guys, Kopi Saigon. I'm at Ray Power Corner and I ordered some butter chicken and some coconut water. I got the butter chicken and my coconut water. I got the shawarma. This is the beef and chicken mixed right here. Let's take a quick photo. It's not bad, guys. Pretty good. This is beef noodles since 1949. Shinty beef noodles special. I don't know. Michelin 2025 too. Malaysia's best food. Okay, I think I'll try this. Hot. Beef noodles, guys. Just one. Okay, thank you. The place is pretty big, guys. Look. We're gonna eat at this one Chinese roti place right here. I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna get the chicken roti.
They get new chicken.
Right here, guys. 5 ringgit 50. Just the fried chicken and rice here, guys. Tea. This is where my hotel is. And of course, guys, this is Pateling Street, Chinatown. Right here, guys, is the Jamek Mosque. Right here. But here is a better view of the mosque. Today is Saturday, and it's about 5:15 p.m. So, and then this is where we're at, Bazaar Jalan Melayu. And here is the India Mosque, the Masjid India. There you go. So this is the Jalantar night market. They only have this on Saturday evenings from 5, I think, till 10 or 12, something like that. Got some iced coffee here, guys, for 4 to 6 ringgit. Getting hazelnut, iced coffee,
Hazelnut
4
coffee.
ringgit. Not bad, guys. All kinds of things here. Thank you.
Okay.
Got my nasi lemak. That's my snack for the hotel. Check it out. Got from the Jalan Tar night market. So basically it's coconut rice and I think that's sambal. It's kind of like a spicy sauce, I think. Cucumber and an egg. Thank you. They have some soup, chicken, and rice. Central Market Food Court. There's not much going on. This is it. Thai corner. Can I get the beef fried rice? Yeah, beef fried rice. Thank you. Thank you. So this is what I got, guys. It's just the beef fried rice from Thai corner over here, and it was 10 ringgit and 90 cents. Coffee over here, guys. 6 ringgit if it's in the plastic, and then 9 ringgit is in the cup.
Thank you so much. It is 6 ringgit. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm gonna try these tender bites. Hi, can I just get order? I think I'm gonna check this place out. Called Cafe Dion. Let's look at the menu. Thin bread. These are bread. The eggs. All day dim sum. Fried noodles and rice. Muslim friendly. Okay guys, I got the seafood fried rice with egg. Let's see if we can break into this egg here. Oh, there's no, there's a little bit. The name of the restaurant came out to $25.10. Looks pretty cool in here, guys. This house, I guess, has been here for a while. Old house. If you're ever in Chinatown, Kuala Lumpur, check it out. It's right by Barrels chocolate store here. I made it to Setia Alam.
This right here is the supposedly the longest street food market in Malaysia. So I'll be making a video here later tonight. What I know is that the whole stretch of this market is about 2.3 kilometers.
What is this? Hello. Look at that. That's like a dessert. Lamb meatballs. Hello.
Just lamb and lamb.
Ni lem, ni lembu. Ni kambing, ni lembu. Dua tu.
Okay. Check out steam bun. These garbanzo beans. Hello. Good. So they have chicken, beef. They also got some fish, fresh fish. Look at this. Look at that. Ayam chicken. Prices down here.